In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install a Windows 10 virtual machine inside the EXI hypervisor. So let's get started. I already installed the VMware workstation, and in this VM workstation I installed the hypervisor type 1 EXI version 7. So let's open it. This is the VMware EXI type 1 hypervisor. So we are going to install a new virtual machine in this EXI. So first of all, click on the virtual machine section, this icon. After that, click on create a register VM. A new menu open. Here create a new virtual machine is selected by default. Click next. Type the virtual machine name. Suppose I give it to VM10 machine. Here choose the guest OS family, Windows, and the guest OS version is Windows 10 64-bit. Click next. This is the storage. Click next. If you want to further customizing the hardware specification for this VMware virtual machine, you can do it. Here in this CD DVD drive, I'm gonna select the ISO image. So click on it and data store ISO file. Here I already imported the Windows 10 ISO image here. So I'm gonna select it. Okay, everything is fine. Leave the rest of specification as it is. Click next. This is the summary for this VMware virtual machine. Click finish. Now a message has been displayed that virtual machine was successfully. Let's click on it. Power on this virtual machine. Okay, let's reset it. Press any key and our virtual machine Windows 10 is running. It is booting. So I will speed up this process. Now our virtual machine has been successfully installed and rebooted. It is loading now. Now our Windows 10 machine has been installed successfully. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. In the next video, I will show you how to install the vCenter in this VXi.